Hi, it's HardReset and today I'll show you how to improve battery life on Motorola Edge 70 Pro. So first go into the settings of your phone, then scroll down into the battery, then battery saver and enable the battery saver. I won't be doing it because it enables some features that I want to show you how to enable manually. Then go into the battery protection and use battery protection, and we have a smart schedule or manual schedule. You can change it to your liking. Then into the display, enable adaptive brightness and dark theme, scroll down to screen timeout and shorten this time to around 1 minute. Scroll from the top 2 times and then disable every feature you're not currently using, for example a Bluetooth or a Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.